my welcome gifts from Target and Amazon. And I can't wait to open this with you. Tara!
Ready, set, go!
Education, travel, June TV. Welcome to our channel.
Hello everyone! Help me unpack some of these things for our baby, JM. These things right here, they're all free. Of course, tayo mga Pilipino, mahilig talaga tayo sa libre. Kinakailangan natin dumiskarte.
Tama ka!
Makatipid tayo sa mga gamit ni baby. So, this is free from Amazon. So, all you have to do to get this welcome box, all you have to do is to make a registry for your baby in the Amazon and make sure that you are a Prime member, and gagawa ka ng mga lists doon, yung mga gagamitin ni baby, and then you have to add that to your registry. And of course, some of your friends or ikaw mismo, kailangan mong bumili ng at least $10 from the items on your registry to get this welcome box. So after that, pag nakuha mo na yung item na worth na $10 sa bahay niyo, so meron ng pop-up doon na coupon na saying na claim it. So you have to claim it, and then voila! Here's your registry. Here's your welcome box from Amazon.
Okay.
So,
Now, we would like to show you guys yung actual Amazon Baby Registry welcome box namin from the Amazon website. Now, this shows na this welcome box has a $35 value and free shipping siya for Amazon Prime members. And since we're a Prime member, wala na kaming binayaran sa shipping fee. So, uulitin ko po on how to claim your Amazon welcome box in 4 easy steps sa mga hindi nagka-catch up kanina. First, you have to join the Amazon Prime. Second, add 10 unique items from your checklist. Third, purchase $10 from your registry. Fourth, request your box on the welcome box benefits page.
Okay.
So what are the things inside? It's really different, so it's a surprise, so you really don't know what's inside your welcome box. So for us, we have this, we have the swaddle, and then here, what's this? Yeah, it's actually a onesie, and then we have Dr. Brown's feeder. This is a feeder, and then we have another feeder from Lancino brand. So this one is Dr. Brown, this is Lancino brand, and we have, I don't know what's this. I guess it's cool drink of water. It's a cream, and then yeah, some of magazines that will probably help you if you're a first-time mom. But me, it's our second baby, so I guess I have a little idea on what to do with our baby. And then a sample of Aquaphor healing ointment. So Aquaphor, actually we've been using this for Jude because Jude is a very sensitive skin, so we've been using Aquaphor. And this is also applicable to your baby, especially pag nag-diaper rash siya. So this one, and a nursing pad, and a sample breast milk storage pad. This one, yeah, nursing pad. Dito lang ako nagkaka-idea ng nursing pad. Like in the Philippines, I have no idea about this. Yun bang nag-breast milk ka, tas tumutulo pa yung mga ano mo. So, this one, nursing pad, ilalagay mo siya sa ano mo para ma-absorb siya nito. So, this is the purpose of this. And a sample of storage milk. If you are planning to, pump. Thank you, Amazon!
Also, nung tiningnan namin ang aming Amazon Baby Registry, ito po ang mga taong bumili po sa registry namin. So, we just wanted to take a moment to give a shout out and express our deepest gratitude for your thoughtful gift from our baby registry. Your generosity has touched our hearts and has brought us one step closer to being fully prepared for our little one's arrival. The Fisher Price Baby Playmat Deluxe by Dr. Melissa Mitchell-Tree, Ahalan Baby Books and Baby Einstein Sticker Spinner by Miss Knox Tate, Infantino 2-in-1 Tummy Time and Seated Support by Mr. Joseph Glass, Philips Avent Soothie Pacifier, Munchkin Baby Bottle and Sippy Cup Cleaning Kit, and Philips Avent Anti-Colic Baby Bottles. These are all bought by Ma'am Genevieve and Felicia Baldwin. And The Simple Joys by Carter 4-Pack Clothes for Baby by Ma'am Hazel Balani. Thank you once again for your kindness. We truly appreciate it. And ipapakita ko rin sa inyo na if you buy in your own baby registry, you will also receive a 15% discount. And this completion discount will expire until September 2. So that means that from the time na nag-create kami ng baby registry, we have until around 4 to 5 months to use the discount. And I will show you here the following baby stuffs that were bought from our Amazon registry that earned the 15% completion discount.
And then this is another free from Target.
Hooray!
Yes, it's a welcome. I don't know if this is a welcome box, but yeah, same thing as Amazon. So, same as Amazon, you have to make a registry in the Target. And then, unlike in Amazon that you have to purchase at least $10, sa Target, no requirement at all. So all you have to do is to make a registry for your baby, and then there is a barcode that will pop up after making your registry, and then pupunta lang kayo sa Target, and then in person let your barcode be scanned, and then after that yung mga employees nila automatically they will give this to you. So thank you, Target. And then we will unbox what are the things inside here. So I feel like mas marami siya kaysa sa Amazon. So we have Baby Dubs sample. What's this? A wash, baby wash, a sample. Have another Dr. Brown's feeder, so baby bottle. So this one. And then we have pacifier. Yay! Yung nasa Philippines kami, si Jude, hindi siya nakagamit ng pacifier because he doesn't want to have the pacifier. I don't know, for our next baby. So this is pacifier. And then we have another bottle, a feeder
From
Philips
Avent.
Yes. So yeah, we are very familiar with Avent because we've been using this since sa Philippines, because for Jude, we are using Avent. So here, marami talagang pagpipilian dito sa US. So yeah, the more the merrier. Anyway, this is free. So good for us. And then we have Draft. So Draft is advisable laundry detergent for babies' clothes. So yeah, this is a sample laundry, but actually we already bought a bigger one, but this one is still usable, of course. So thank you. And then we have this sample diaper. So this is Millie Moon diaper, luxury diapers, and a sample formula milk. So, di ba may mga formula
Kendamil.
tayo like Infamil, Similac. So, meron din silang
Kendamil.
sample infant formula. So, this one's named Kendamil. It's Kendamil. So, let's just try this.
Okay.
Sample Pedialyte.
Is it powder?
Yeah, it's a powder. Actually, this Pedialyte, we have been using this for Jude. Kapag kung hindi maganda yung tiyan ni baby. So, this contains electrolytes to rehydrate your baby. Yeah. And this one is another sample of
Pads.
nursing pads. Yeah, from Lancino. And a sample of breast milk storage bag. And a sample of Aveeno baby lotion. And then we have a sample of para sa mga rashes ni baby. So, it's a skin protectant. It's named Triple Paste. And then we have another sample of Aquaphor ointment. Mahal kasi yung Aquaphor. So, I guess ganito na siya. Yung mga sachets. And this one is a water wipes. Another brand of water wipes. This one for baby. Ang dami. This one is a sample of nose wipes for baby. This one is a sample thermometer strip. So, strip siya. Paano kaya ito gagamitin? So, yeah.
Palalamin natin yan.
Malalaman
Abangan.
natin yan. So, marami talaga sila mga products that I really don't know about. But with quality, of course, hindi sila magbibigay ng kasi they're very particular with the comments and feedbacks of their customers. So, that is why yung quality talaga nila dito. But, of course, that depends on your kid kasi depende naman yan sa mga bata. Hiyang sila sa ganito. Tas, for this another product, hindi sila hiyang. So, pahiyang. And then, this one is a breast pump cleaner wipes. Ang dami mga products dito. Oh. Sa amin, hugasan lang yung mga breast pump. Ganun lang. Dito may wipes. Dito din may dish soap para sa, paghugas ng mga feeder or bottles ni baby. Ang dami, parang sa Pilipinas, parang yung dishwasher natin, dishwashing paste, parang sa lahat. Dito may, ano na naman ito? Gripe water para daw sa, stomach discomfort or pag gaseous yung baby. This one is stretch mark solution. I don't know yung effect pa ba ito. May stretch mark na ako ever since I got Jude. So, yeah, I mean, let's just try this anyway. I should be ashamed of. It's a badge. And then, many flyers. Oh! The value of their welcome kit is like $100. So, this, maganda sa Target. Kasi, $100 value, free welcome kit. My goodness. And this one is another, ano na naman to? 10 wipes. Basta wipes to. Another wipes again. And that's all. Meron pang resibo.
Babalik
And
na.
this is free. Thank you. Thank you.
Hooray!
Maraming free. Actually, marami talaga free. Discover lang.
Finally, we would like to show you mga ka-choose sa actual Target Baby Registry namin sa Target website naman po. The name of the registry is Margin and John Elise's Baby Registry. May 21 gifts kami and 10 gifts were already purchased. So salamat sa mga nag-purchase po kay Miss Overbeck at sa lahat ng mga anonymous givers. And here are the baby stuffs that were purchased from our Target registry. I hope this content helps you, especially sa mga first-time parents po dyan who would like to avail free baby stuffs po by just creating a baby registry in Amazon and Target. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click the like button. And if you want more contents kagaya nito, please don't forget to subscribe. Hanggang sa muli mga ka-chutes, thank you for watching. Bye!